Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is from Group Adjunct. The members of our group are Luh Aryani, Paramita, Dewi, Fortuna, and me myself, Durotul Latifah. And here I'm as the representative of our groups. I wanna explain more about Adjunct. Let's go to the first slide. It's about what is Adjunct. So actually all other elements in basic clause which are not subjects, verbs, objects, or complements, we call it as adjunct. This is a word, a phrase, or a clause that can be removed from a sentence without making the sentence grammatically wrong. So if an adjunct is removed from a sentence, the sentence will still be grammatically correct. So an adjunct is usually an adverb used to modify a verb, and when it is used as an adverb, it will usually indicate a time, a manner, a place, a frequency, a reason, or a degree. Next slide. This is the example of adjunct. As you can see, there are some examples of adjuncts. The first is a time adjunct. In the sentence, he arrived yesterday and she left when he arrived. The word yesterday and the phrase when he arrived indicate the time. So when did he arrive? He arrived yesterday. It's about the time. The second is manner adjunct. She learned quickly. She sings like an angel. So this is about how some things going on, about the manner, how she learned quickly. The third is about the place adjunct. He walks here. He lost his dog in the woods. So it's about the place. Where did he lost his dog? Oh, he lost his dog in the woods. So the word here and in the woods indicate the place. Next is about the other examples of adjuncts. As you can see, there are many examples of adjunct, and it can be in the form of clauses or as prepositional phrase, noun phrase, or infinitive of purpose, etc. You can read the example by yourself. And let's continue to the next slide about kind of adjunct. So actually it's similar to this one, but it will be more an example about it. So let's start with the first kind of adjuncts. Time adjuncts. Example: the alarm went off again yesterday, and in the morning he will follow the bell. So the word yesterday and in the morning indicates the time. That's why it is called as time adjunct. The second is manner adjunct. Manner adjunct. Present your case carefully. Simon drinks his pints like a demon. Simon Damon. Okay, so the word carefully and like a demon indicate the manner, so how something is going on about the manner. Next is place adjunct. Here the situation is completely different. The word here indicate the place, and in the second sentence, she buries all her toys wherever Ollie buries his. The clause wherever Ollie buries his indicates the place also. The first is frequency adjunct. The example: she comes here often, and every Thursday the shop opens at 8 o'clock. The word often and every indicates the frequency. Next is reason adjuncts. The first example, as it is Friday, you can stay up another hour. So, why you can stay up another hour? Because it is Friday. So it shows the reason. And the second is expect the tent to leak because it has been in my garage for 30 years. It also shows about the reason. Next, degree adjuncts. The examples are you're not as poor as you could have been, and she is as smart as she is brilliant. That's the example of degree adjuncts. Next, so adjuncts can occupy a variety of positions in a clause. It can be in the front position, in the mid position, or in the end position. We can see here in the sentence, as it is Friday, you can stay up another hour. Here, the sentence shows that an adjunct can be in the front position. And in the sentence, she comes here often, we can see that an adjunct can be in the end position, often is in the end position. And in the sentence, she is as smart as she is brilliant. It shows that an adjunct can be in the mid position. So there are three possible positions of adjuncts in the sentence. It can be in the front position, in the mid position, or in the end position. Next is about adjuncts versus complements. So adjuncts and complements are different because adjuncts modify the verb or the clause, but unlike the complements, adjuncts do not complete the meaning of the verb, and adjuncts also are not required elements. For example, it rained in the afternoon. So in the afternoon is an adjunct because it indicates the circumstance, the time when it rained. So in the afternoon refers to the time when it rained. The second example, I will put it in my diary now. So the word now is example of complement because it completes the meaning of put, of the word put in that sentence, which must specify both on an object and a location. Okay, next. Oh, this is the end of the slideshow. I think this is the end of our presentation about adjunct, and also this is the end of my explanation about adjunct. I'm sorry if I made mistakes during my explanation. People make mistakes, right? So thank you for your attention. I hope this is useful for you guys. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.